Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to another Beauty by Dave video, where we explore beginner boy beauty together. How you guys doing? No, really. Tell me, how are you doing? I'd love to hear from you. Please comment and like and subscribe below. I need all the support I can get. I love to hear from you. I've got like 2 subscribers. It's so much fun. But say hello. Tell me how you're doing. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Today, we are going to be doing a video on this NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. Very excited about this. Cool looking product. I thought it was cream, and it's not. It's powder. And then also, every shade, it has shimmer. It's a shimmery bronzer, which is probably like, if there was one thing that I would probably try to avoid, it would be a shimmery bronzer, But I've been playing with this, extremely interesting results, and I really actually like it. What really pushed it over the top, of course, is the fact that they now have these blushes coming out, which, are very hard to find because they were on the website for like 2 days and now they're completely sold out and they're not available anywhere. But I'm sure the blushes will be coming out very soon. To my little radar, it seems like it's going to be one of the next little viral products, viral videos. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So today's part 1. We're going to do the bronzer. And then as soon as the blush comes out, we'll get some of the blush. For the blushes are cool though, because at least some of them have shimmer and a lot of them actually do not have shimmer. So, yay. Okay, so, we're all done up today. We've got our Forever Glow Star Filter that we love so much. We've got our Armani Luminous Silk blah, 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 blah foundation that we love. And honestly, obsessed. Absolutely obsessed with this. I cannot believe how much I love this product. This is like the purple shade. I cannot believe this. I wear this every day. It's incredible. I love it. So I got everything. I got these 3 products popped on the face right now. Okay. So this bronzer goes a very, very long way. Okay. So just a short story here. I went in the other day. I was just playing with this, and I went in somewhere. And the first thing this lady said to me, she was like, "Oh my gosh. Wow. She's like, "Oh, you are looking tan today." And I was like, "Oh, girl." Because when I put it down, I was like, well, maybe it is a little much. But I was like, I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yeah. And this lady was just like, instantly like, dude, whoa, you are tan as fuck. And so, whatever that's worth. So then I did go out and I used a little tissue and I did blot off, quite a bit. And it did calm it down and it looked a little bit better after that. So be very careful. Don't use too much of that. And to be very frank with you, at that time I used a shitload. I packed a shitload on. I sure did. So, okay. So what I also found is that it doesn't really do good for me. This is for me personally. It did not do well here in this area of the face. So I find that with this NYX Buttermelt bronzer, what I like to do is I like to go on the forehead because I'm also a oily girl on the forehead. At the end of the day, it's just like an oil slick up there. But sometimes if I use, my one size translucent powder, and now I'm going to use some of this powder blush, because I think it'll actually help with that. So for the lower portion of the face, just to make sure that we have at least some, color matching, we're going to go in with our Tower 28. This is actually our cream bronzer. We're going to just do a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Just a little. This is just going to provide a little bit of glow, just a teeny tiny bit of bronze, okay? Not much, okay? But I just want to make sure that I have some bronze on the lower portion of the face. And that's going to be it, okay? I'm really learning are learning to restrain. You need to restrain when you're playing with makeup. If you're trying to do beginner boy beauty, you got to use almost nothing. You have to use less, a lot less than you think you should be using. If you're using what you think feels like the right amount, then you need to use less. Then you use too much. If it feels right, it was too much. You need to feel like, oh, I don't think I put enough on. I think I really didn't. I didn't put hardly any on at all. That's the key. Okay, so anyway, there we go. I believe we've got the bottom of the face locked in. So now let's just play with this Buttermelt bronzer because this is what the video is about today. So, okay, there it is. We're trying to open it. I just did my nails the other day, so they're quite a little bit sensitive. So it's nice and closed. Okay, it's an interesting little case. It's got a fun wavy pattern on there. As I said, it's got shimmer. We're gonna do a little swatch. So we're just gonna do nice little swipes on there. I'm just gonna put this, let's just put this right there on the arm. Oh my, wow, look at that. It's kind of a nice little match for me. Honestly, that just blended right in. So we're gonna put a bunch on, get you a nice little swatch here. Ooh, that was a mistake. All right, we're gonna get you a nice swatch, as we said. All right, we're gonna swatch you up. Oh, girl, look at that. See, look at that texture. Jesus Christ. It's like, am I a dinosaur? Do I have dinosaur skin? Look at that. Look at the texture. That's funny. That is funny. The texture on that is wild. Wow. You can see every crevice and crack and pore. Wow. Interesting. All right. Anyway, it's fun. So that was a swatch. As we said, be careful with this. So, okay. Now I got a bunch on the pan. Blow some of that off. Okay. This is my excuse to use my giant brush. I don't ever use this for anything. Okay. So, it's Saturday night, so we can go a little bit to town. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I like to really get these hollows nice and a little bit darker. And we're just going to kind of do our little forehead. So we're going to just kind of, I don't know exactly how much we're going to use. We're just going to kind of do some blotties. Oh gosh, look at that cloud. Okay. Well, that's fun. And then we are going to do our little tap off. Okay. Let's just kind of do the hollows first. Okay. Hollow 1. Hollow 2. Okay, I like that. Nice. Okay. And we're just going to kind of just do a big fat blotties. All right, let's go down a little bit. I'm going to kind of layer this up just a little bit. And so we're just going to do the forehead here. Ooh-wee. Ooh, there isn't any other way. All right. And then because we want to do a little bit of contouring with this, I'm going to use one side of the brush and just going to kind of put it on there. I'm going to really go in on these hollows. Oh, that does look nice, actually. We're really going to work on buffing it really into that hairline. Oh, that does actually look nice. Oh, I get so surprised when it actually does what I want. Okay, so as I said, we're going to go into the pan and just get some nice, 3 or 4 swipes to have a good packing the product on it. We're going to go right in that hollow. Bam. Oh, man. Okay. We're going to really just buff that fucker in. Just buff that fucker in there. All right. And we're going to try to go along the hairline across this top because otherwise it looks real funky if you don't kind of buff that all in. Okay. We're going to assess the situation. All right. What do we think here, folks? My light is so bright, it's hard for me to tell, but that's okay. I got a bunch of product on, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to kind of blend it in and pull it down into the forehead. I'm not going to go into the lower part of the face, okay? So we're just going to kind of use this big fat brush, and we're just going to play with it. We're just going to have fun, okay? Just brush the shit out of it, Just brush the shit out of it. We're going to try to bring some of it down, and, maybe go a little bit into the eyebrows. Okay, not too much there, bud. Careful. All right, and then let's just kind of clean that up, clean everything. All right, leave well enough alone. Leave well enough alone. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do with my Buttermelt bronzer for the day. Okay, what do you think? Hello. I'm gonna do one more thing though. Okay, just for fun, because of that extra shimmer, I am going to take it and I'm going to go along the lower part of the face. I'm just going to use whatever's left on the brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of lift into that bottom cheek, okay? I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm just going to kind of, put a little bit on there, just for shits and giggles. Why not? Why not? Why not, ladies? Cheers. All right. Okay. So I don't know. For me, I like it. I really like it. It does have shimmer, but the thing is once you put it on the face and you blend it in, you cannot tell. There is really no shimmer. It definitely blends out, and it's just very glowy. I'm not seeing it in the pores. I mean, it looks really good on the forehead. I don't know what else to tell you. At this stage, this is when I will do my finishing translucent powder from one size. I do that on top of the face. No matter what I do, it's the final step. Okay, so we are going to do that. Using my brush, I just dip it into my powder. We are going to go on the forehead. We're going to go through all that bronzer that we just did, because it was very bronze, but even this powder is going to help just kind of bring that down just a stitch. I'm going to do our right cheek, go across the eye and the face. All right, and this is really going to blend in the bronzer and the blush and our foundation. It's really going to blur everything. That's the word. That's the word, but it's actually the word. All right. Get that nose. Get that crevice that way. Get that crevice that way. Up in the nose. All right. I love it. I mean, it feels gorge. It feels giggity gorgeous. And as you know, our final step is we're going to lock it in with our Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. You know how it is, girl. 1, 2, one more in the middle. Boom. Oof. Oh. That product is so delightful. All right. I'm just loving this look. Gold. Okay. And we're just going to press in our setting spray, because Allie tells us to. That's what Allie tells us to do. All right, there you go. Setting spray. Okay, cool. And then we're just going to be, just to shout out Allie again. Okay, let's do that. Boom. Revie Beauty. I got Dahlia Effortless Lips. Let's put this on. This is a great match for my actual lip color. Look at that. That is really good. God, it's like you're painting. It's like I'm literally just painting my lip on. That's wild. Wild. I love the taste of Effortless Lips. It's so yummy. That is so shocking. That is so shocking. This is kind of actually only like the second time I've put this one on. Dahlia is incredible. I really liked Lily when it first came out, but I just got the Dahlia. Oh my God. Hi. Hello. Okay, we're going to do shout outs. Glow Recipe. This is, oh my God, I can't even explain. This Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist from Glow Recipe. They just serve so hard. But this product, oh my God. I've been just having it in my bag with me at all times. I've been spritzing it on like 4 or 5 times a day. And it's just like the best part of the Watermelon Glow series is that time when you put it on. Because the watermelon smell is just, oh, it's so invigorating. It's just so refreshing. It's so delightful. And with this, I can experience that like 5 times a day. It's so nice. The mist is so fine. 1, 2. It's just like breathing it in and spraying it right on your face. It really looks gorge. It helps give you that beautiful glow all day long. Oh, love it. Love, 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 love that product. Another fun product that I picked up. Let's see if you can see what this says. 754. Let's see, what did that say? Sugar Plum. This is just a L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick. I thought that I heard maybe Trixie Mattel talking about this one. So maybe it wasn't even that shade, but here's a swatchy of it. It's a really nice color. It's also got shimmer in it. It was fun. I just was feeling like going out and buying some makeup one day at the drugstore, and that's just what I picked up. But I applied it. It's a gorgeous lipstick. It was really, I really liked it. I also picked up a mini of this, the House Lab. This is their hybrid lip oil. This is just a clear one, just in neutral. It was $16 at Sephora. I was in line, and I've just been on a lip oil kick, wanting to try new lip oils. And that one was just $16. And I was just like, I absolutely want this immediately. And I just got it. And I really like it, actually. It's very thin. It's very light. It's very easy. I just put one swipe on. And it does feel really nice. It's definitely for lip oils. It's very, it's ultra thin. Not sticky at all. It lasts for about 30 minutes. So it's great. It's nice. I just cannot get over my lip right now. I am loving this lip. Oh my gosh. I feel gorge. I love this NYX Buttermelt bronzer. I don't really fuck with powder bronzers literally at all. But this feels like a really summery product. There's another color, there's another shade that it's got like a really super deep, rich, like ruddy red, deep brown. And I just like, it just looks like the ultimate like drag, like contour, like just cutting shade. And like, I really kind of feel like picking it up at one point and just swiping the fuck out of my cheek and just like putting a big fat ass contour on there just for fun, you know, why not? But anyway, we're going to do another one of these videos as soon as the blushes come out. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. That's going to be all, you know. I just hope you're having a great day. I hope you're out there trying products, having fun, you know. And then we're going to just see ya in our next video. Bye-bye. Love you.